Today we are going to be making a basil lime cookie. So let's go. You need a 1/2 cup of softened butter and a 1/2 cup of sugar. We are going to cream these together using our blender. We're going to mix in 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, but what I really like to use is the vanilla bean paste. Makes things really vibrant. We are going to zest 1 lime. Be sure when you're zesting that you don't go too deep into the skin. Just get the very top layer off. And 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped basil. And we're gonna mix all that together. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 3/4 cup flour. This one last mix. I like to take my spatula and then finish pulling this all together into one big bowl. Line the baking stone with parchment paper. And I actually like to use more the smaller scoops, but go ahead and use any size that you would like. So I'm just gonna place that on my parchment paper in the corners first to keep it down. Place this in the oven at 375 for 8 to 12 minutes. And here we go to a nice, beautiful golden brown.
Enjoy.